E for elephant. Elephant. E for egg. Egg. E for ear. Ear. E for eyes. Eyes. E for elbow. Elbow. E for earth. Earth. E for eagle. Eagle. E for eat. Eat. E for and. And. E for eight. Eight. E for easy. Easy. E for eggplant. Eggplant. E for exit. Exit. E for elf. Elf. E for energy. Energy. E for envelope. 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 E for engine. Engine. E for echo. Echo. E for eraser. Eraser. E for evening. Evening. E for edge. Edge. E for elmo. Elmo. E for elephant. Elephant. E for elevator. Elevator. E for email. Email. E for earthworm. Earthworm. E for equal. Equal. E for 11. 11. E for engine. Engine. E for entrance. Enters. E for accept. Accept. E for ill. Ill. E for Eskimo. Eskimo. E for elbow room. Elbow room. E for ever. Ever. E for event. Event. E for envelope. Envelope. E for expert. Expert. E for exercise. Exercise. E for exit. Exit. E for explore. Explore. E for extra. Extra. E for eyesight. Eyesight. E for electric. Electric. E for enchanted. Enchanted. E for excite. Excite. E for amber. Amber. E for empty. Empty. E for enter. Enter. E for Eclipse. Subscribe my channel children. सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें.